Hello, welcome back to Dimples and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursday. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification of from Dimples and Arabian Journey. So, today's unique recipe out of the box is bread upma or easy bread poha. Quick and easy breakfast with very minimum and basic ingredients. So let us have a look onto the main and the core ingredient. Let's start cooking. So here I'm using 1 tablespoon of haldi, turmeric and salt. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, any cooking oil. And raw peanuts 1/4 cup. 3 to 4 slit green chilies. 2 tablespoons of garam masala powder or pav bhaji masala powder. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half cup onion or 1 large onion, 3 tomatoes finely chopped or 1 cup. Apologize, I just missed showing you the mustard seeds. So 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, black mustard seeds, and 6 bread loaf. Here I'm using milk bread, so you just need to cut them vertically into small cubes. Please start cutting them vertically and then into small pieces, cube size. Any milk bread is okay. Any brand or even brown bread is okay. My kids love this milk breads in particular, so I'm using this one. Minimum of 6 to 8 pieces this way. And all our bread pieces are ready. So in a hot pan, here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil, any cooking oil. Then goes the mustard seed, and then 3 slit green chilies and 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped. Raw garlic, do not add the paste or anything, just the raw garlic. Saute well for good 30 seconds. Do not burn them, just saute them for just 30 seconds. Now goes our raw peanuts, roughly around 1/4 cup of raw peanuts. A gentle reminder to just subscribe my channel if you haven't. Please do. Now please add the onions and saute for good 30 seconds. Combine them together and mix them well. Please add salt and turmeric 1 tablespoon together. So at this stage you can also add some pav bhaji masala powder or only garam masala powder. Please check the description box for the garam masala powder recipe. Kashmiri red chili powder and garlic powder together. Give it a quick mix just to get rid of the raw spice texture and the taste. Then goes our tomatoes. 3 tomatoes or 1 cup of tomatoes. See that you combine them together very well for good 1 minute, and then you can just cover cook them for next 1 minute. So post 1 to 2 minutes, our tomatoes has softened well. So this is the texture I actually needed. Now goes our bread loaf, which has been finely cut or chopped into cube size. You can just gently toss them together. Be very gentle, and this is milk bread, so it tends to crumble up and get all messy. So you just need to be careful. Slowly, just like half portion at once, and then you can add the remaining half portion of bread together. Combine and mix them together. So ready in 2 minutes. All set and good. Just switch off the flame and serve them hot, piping hot. So here is it, serving them hot. Quick and easy breakfast. You can just garnish them with some coriander leaves on top of it and then enjoy. Thanks for watching Dimples and Arabian Journey. Stay connected. Do share this recipe with your friends and family. And don't forget to like and comment under the comment section below. Take care.